Hello guys and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hizaruddin and welcome to our channel The Programmer. So guys, today we are gonna play Temple Run. So first we will play with, let me show you the character. So first we are gonna play with Guide Dangerous and then Scarlet Fox. We are gonna play 4 games total, 2 of Scarlet Fox and 2 of Guide Dangerous. So now let's start the game. I will tell a very important message at the end of video. So let's start the game. The game starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Today is the day for Scarlet Fox and Guy Dangerous to show his or her talent. Who is the best and who is the worst? I think so that Guy Dangerous will win. So, Guy Dangerous scored 1,20,900. Let me repeat it for you. 1,20,900 and 247 coins. So let's play with now Scarlet Fox. So guys, if you know about this game and if you play this, please tell us in the comment box that what is your favorite character. So now it has scored 1,11,000. I think so it will beat. And she has beaten. 1,67,850 run done by Scarlet Fox and 305 coins. So guys, as I told you at the end of the video, I will say something important to you. So now Asradil is gonna tell you about the trailer.
Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Asil Adil and welcome back to channel The Programmers. So guys, first I want to tell you that now this was the first turn that was between Scarlet Fox and Guy Dangerous, and in the first turn you know what, Scarlet Fox win. However, in the second turn we will see who will win, but before that, as Khizar now told me to tell something, and I also want to say at the end of the video he will also tell you something best and special about the trailer. But first let me tell you guys, it will be about the games that we have played, we will play. Guys, how much games we will play, please watch that trailer, we would only request to you. And guys, I am also planning after 25th video the last part of the temple run, we are gonna have a PowerPoint presentation of these two listed. You didn't understand me, but we have the PowerPoint presentation of the all types of running games. Okay, so guys, without wasting time, let me give it to my lovely brother Khizr Adil, and now let's see the second turn, that is between the Guy Dangerous and Scarlet Fox. And guys, let's go back to the commentary that will be done today by Mohammad Khizr. So first turn for Guy Dangerous. The first round he has lost. Now let's see, will he lose the second one or not.
So guys, the match has been started. So guys, if the score has been done same by both of them, we will see which character collected the most points. $79,000 done. Oh. Last time he did 1,20,000. Okay, so now we are gonna play again with Scarlet Fox. Okay, so guys, my big brother Asil will tell about So now 77,460 score done by Scarlet Fox. I think that the winner is getting this. And 106 coins. So now Asir is gonna tell about the total scores of both of the characters.
Okay, so guys, welcome back. Let me tell you the total scores in the first turn, guys. Guy Dangerous scored the best. Sorry, not Guy Yes, Guy Dangerous scored the best of 1,20,900 with the coins of 247. But Scarlet Fox performed the best in the second game. Surprisingly, 1,67,815. Guys, the coins were 247. Good coins by Guy Dangerous, but Scarlet Fox was the best. And guys, in the second turn, Guy Dangerous performed a score, not well, okay score of 1,10,940 with we did not calculated the coins about that. Okay, so guys, however, Scarlet Fox did 77,460 with only 106 coins, and till what we remember, the Guy Dangerous collected the coins in the range of 250 to 350 which means that it is a tie for both. First match was won by Guy Dangerous, and then the second match was won by first match was won by Scarlet Fox, and second match was won by Guy Dangerous. So in case of a tie, as we said that we will see the coins, and guys, as the coins, Scarlet Fox have only 106. Scarlet Fox has 350 coins. However, Guy Dangerous only has 106 coins in his winning match. Sorry guys if it entertained you low, or if you heard any noises from the above or anywhere. Okay, so guys, this is also gonna bring the end of the video, but before making an end, my brother Khizr Adil is also gonna tell you a special thing about trailer. Let's go back to him.
As I told you, so now I am gonna talk with you about the trailer. So guys, we are gonna make a trailer so that if there is somebody who didn't know about our channel, he can see the trailer and he can know what games are we gonna play, what are we gonna do in this channel, and what activities are we gonna do.
Okay, so guys, this brings the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna meet you in Temple Run part number 12. Till then, goodbye.